we used to get maybe 1,000 parts out of the screw machine, but we still had to second op the part and remove the burr on the backside or whatever second op needed to be done. Now with the Swiss machines, we can run 2,000 to 3,000 pieces in 24 hours a day automated, because we have bar feeders where they can run lights out, fully automated. My name's George Montez, one of the owners here at Kohler Clark Screw Products, family business. It's mine and my father's. And we're out here in Tulare, California, and we're serving the aerospace industry. It was all screw machines, a bunch of Acme Gridleys and New Brintons. That's where Tsugami came in, and it's been a game changer. Much easier to automate everything, better cycle times, better quality. We took a part that was taking us 15 minutes on 3 different operations. Now it takes us 4 minutes to make. On a Swiss machine, I knew that that was it. Like, I just had to get more Swiss machines. In a matter of 1 year, we've purchased 9 Swiss machines, from 205s all the way to 32 millimeter to 38 millimeter machines. And also the mill turns, the MO8 SYs. We have 2 of those.
I'm extremely excited about the growth. And I think that was one of the main reasons why I made the move down here, is because the potential and the investment to be able to just get all these, and it's growing already at an extremely fast pace, but this is just the beginning. The support I received from Tsugami has been extremely helpful here. Just being able to pick up the phone and call and get support for absolutely anything. And I have a couple guys that are always there. We need something, literally a call away.
So as far as Ellison goes, they helped me with the purchase of all my Tsugamis. They installed the machines and they didn't leave until the machines were running. We're just used to basic 2-axis lathes. We were new to twin spindle lathes. They've been very supportive. It's been great. That's why I just bought some more. For the future of Kohler Clark Screw Products, I mean, just growth, keeping our quality high, increasing production, eventually replacing all my old equipment with newer Tsugamis.